Welcome to Quiz of Islam. Are you ready for super exciting Hajj quiz?
Here are 50 challenging questions.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Question 1. What is the minimum age for performing Hajj? No specific age, but must be mature enough to understand the rituals. Question 2. What is the name of the sermon delivered on the day of Arafah? Khutbah al-Arafah. Question 3. Which prophet's footsteps are commemorated during Sa'i? Lady Hajar, mother of Prophet Ismail. Question 4. What does talbiyah mean in Hajj? A chant declaring intention and obedience to Allah. Question 5. Which days are known as the days of Tashriq? (11th to 13th of Dhul Hijjah).
Question 6.
What is done on the 10th of Dhul Hijjah during Hajj? Rami, sacrifice, shaving/cutting hair, and Tawaf al-Ifada.
Question 7.
What is the Kaaba covered with? A black cloth called kiswa.
Question 8.
When is ihram worn? Before crossing the miqat.
Question 9.
Can you wear stitched clothing in ihram for men? No.
Question 10.
Is using perfume allowed in the state of ihram? No.
Question 11.
What is the significance of Mina during Hajj? Site for Rami, stoning the devil.
Question 12.
What is Naya in Hajj? Intention from the heart to perform Hajj.
Question 13.
What happens if someone misses standing in Arafah? Their Hajj is invalid.
Question 14.
What is Hajj Tamatu? Performing Hajj and Umrah separately with a break.
Question 15.
Is shaving the head, for men, compulsory after sacrifice? Yes.
Question 16.
What is a woman required to do instead of shaving her head after Hajj? Cut a fingertip length of her hair.
Question 17.
What does Hajj al-Qiran mean? Performing Hajj and Umrah together without removing ihram.
Question 18.
What is the ruling of Hajj in Islam for those who are financially and physically able? Obligatory.
Question 19.
What is the Arabic term for the boundary where pilgrims must don the ihram? Miqat. Question 20. What is the name of the stone that pilgrims try to touch or kiss during tawaf? Black stone, Hajar al-Aswad. Question 21. How many types of Hajj are there? Tamattu, Qiran, Ifrad. Question 22. What does Hajj Ifrad mean? Performing only Hajj without Umrah. Question 23. Can a person perform Hajj on behalf of someone else? Yes, if they've performed Hajj for themselves first. Question 24. What is the name of the large tent city used during Hajj? Mina. Question 25. What do pilgrims do on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah? Stand in Arafat for Waqf. Question 26. What does the act of stoning the pillars represent? Rejection of Shaitan, Satan. Question 27. What is the minimum number of days pilgrims stay in Mina? Three. Question 28. What is the ruling if one intentionally skips a wajib, required, act of Hajj? Sacrifice is required. Question 29. Which Hajj ritual symbolizes the unity of all Muslims? Ihram. Question 30. Which prayer is shortened and combined during Hajj? If you are a follower of Islam or a true Muslim, please answer this question in the comments section. Question 31. When is the farewell tawaf, Tawaf al-Wada, performed? Before leaving Mecca. Question 32. Who first established the rituals of Hajj? Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam. Question 33. What should be avoided in the state of Ihram? Cutting nails and hair. Question 34. How many days does the full Hajj last? Five to 6 days. Question 35. Is Hajj one of the 5 pillars of Islam? If you are a follower of Islam or a true Muslim, please answer this question in the comments section. Question 36. Which place is considered the most sacred in Islam, where Muslims face during prayer? Kaaba. Question 37. What is the name of the place where pilgrims stand on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah? Arafat. Question 38. What is the meaning of Hajj? If you are a follower of Islam or a true Muslim, please answer this question in the comments section. Question 39. Can Hajj be performed at any time of the year? No. Question 40. What is the reward for Hajj Mabrur, an accepted Hajj? No reward but paradise. Question 41. Who should accompany a woman during Hajj? A mahram. Question 42. How many rounds are performed during tawaf? If you are a follower of Islam or a true Muslim, please answer this question in the comments section. Question 43. Is talking during tawaf allowed? Yes, but it's discouraged. Question 44. How many days does the act of stoning the Jamarat last? Three. Question 45. Is Hajj Fard obligatory on every Muslim? Yes, if they are able. Question 46. What is the Kaaba made of? If you are a follower of Islam or a true Muslim, please answer this question in the comments section. Question 47. What is a person who performs Hajj called? Haji. Question 48. What is the purpose of performing Hajj? To obey Allah and seek forgiveness. Question 49. Which event is commemorated by the act of sacrifice during Hajj? Prophet Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son. Question 50. What do people say when they see the Kaaba for the first time? Dua from the heart, any supplication.